quick little video review on the ALORAIR Sentinel HD55. Actually love these units. We have purchased several dehumidifiers from ALORAIR. I like all of their dehumidifiers, including this very efficient Sentinel HD55. To kind of give you an overview of the unit itself. It has a really nice control panel right here. You can even go with remote down here. I do not have that option. Then you've got your exhaust hose. The exhaust hose is a little bit short, but it's a very nice common size. You can just pick up some extra at Home Depot. The unit itself is surprisingly efficient, especially for its size. It sits at only about 12.5 inches tall, and a total of, it's about 18 inches, 17.5 to 18 inches in length. It's very light, very easily can be carried with just one hand with these handles on top. Anyway, we really enjoy these for crawl spaces or confined areas, even up in an attic area or something of that nature where it's difficult to get up there. They're very lightweight. I don't know the exact specs, but it is very easy to carry with just one hand.